Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this snow like you see on the screen. This was inspired by Paris Miller. I just have a clip of snow on the timeline. Now we're going to make the snowflakes. Go to Fusion, get a P emitter, and then a P render. Put the render in viewer 1. If you scrub the playhead, you'll see the particles moving inside the sphere. Select the emitter. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, that's why it's up on the screen. Take the random seed all the way up to 1000. Set the number to 0.5. We're going to go a step farther than he did. We're going to make a macro at the end as an effect so you can reuse this. On the number variance, put in 10. And the lifespan, put in somewhere around 400 or 500. That's so they don't run out before your end of your video. On the temporal distribution, randomly distributed. Then go to velocity, 0.02. And now you should see your particles coming to the right from the sphere. And the velocity variance, same thing, 0.02. Now if you scrub your playhead, see they're coming out horizontal. Change the angle to -90. Now they should be going straight down. And if you notice at the beginning of the playhead, they're not coming out yet, but we want them coming out the entire time, every frame. So go to the render, change the pre-generation frames to 400 or 500. And select this kill particles that leave the scene. That way it won't generate unnecessary particles. And select depth merge. I think that helps it render a little bit faster, it seems like. Now if you go to frame 0, you should have particles. With the render selected, switch to 2D, then go back to the emitter. Go to style, change style from point to blob. And the noise somewhere around 0.1, 0.075. And size controls, 1.0. And a size variance all the way up to 1. Then go to region, change it from sphere to line, and grab the anchor. First one, very top left. Second one, the very top right. Merge the render into the media in. Put it in the viewer. Right click on the emitter. Copy. Click away. Right click and paste instance. Merge them together. It'll make merge. And select the instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you're taking it off from. You change your value in one, it'll change it in both. Unless you de-instance it, basically decoupling them. So that value works independently. Select style and pin it. Then right click on size, de-instance, and right click on it again, expression. What we're doing now, the instance is to make 2 different size snowflakes so they're not all the same size. Now select the emitter, style, and pin it. Go to the instance, grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it up to the size above and let go. And times that by 2. Shift and asterisk. 2 and then enter. And now that should be okay. We'll delete all that and do it again. I forgot to delete the 1.0. Top one should be half the size of the bottom. Put in 1 on the size of the top. The bottom should be 2. Unpin them. They're going to seem a little big, but after the macro, for whatever reason, they're all about half the size. Okay, they look good. We'll go ahead and make the macro. Highlight these like I do. Make sure you do not include any of the medias. Right click on any one of them. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. If you don't know what to select in your macro, select whatever node you're working on at that time, and it'll show on the right. Put snowflake in front of size. And change the maximum to 1.0. Let's go 1.2. Then go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead, Templates, Edit, Effects. And here is where you're going to make a folder, put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. Hit Save. We'll go find it, and if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And there it is. These take a while to render out particles, so I'll fast forward through this. You have all your controls up here in the top right. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.